Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching our Myth Traveler.
Travel with me to the must-visit places in Zadar you simply can't miss.
I'm in Zadar, the port city of Croatia. Usually to come to Zadar during winter, you will have to take the transport from Zagreb. Since old days, Zadar has been protected by fortified city walls punctuated by mainly two gates, land gate and sea gate. The one behind you see is the land gate. So this here you see is the land gate, which has the image of a saint and the lion, and was built in 1543. Representing the Republic of Venice because it was under Roman Empire. This is the fortified city wall of Zadar, which has protected it since ages. So the place I am now is called a sea organ, and if you can hear it, then this is the music. If you can hear it, then this is the music which is played by the sea water pressure that runs into the pipes underneath these stepped marbles. It's fascinating. Which uses the power of the sea to produce a series of yet melodious sounds through the pipe that run underneath us. This creates a captivating and relaxing music. Just beside sea organ, you have something called as sun salutation, which is an urban installation by architect Nicola Basic. It consists of 300 multi-layered glasses panels that absorb sunlight during the day and light up at night. The best time to enjoy the breathtaking display of light of this sun salutation is in the evening with the music of sea organ in the background. The church you see in front is Saint Donatus Church, and just beside that is the Roman Forum. Among the preserved remains of Roman Forum, the one you see in behind is called as Pillar of Shame, and it still stands at its original position. The reason it is called as Pillar of Shame is people were chained to the column and subjected to public humiliation. You can still see the chains, and the nails are still visible as the haunting reminder of the dark past. This is Saint Anastasia Cathedral. It dates back to 4th or 5th century. The impressive part of the cathedral is the 54-meter tall bell tower. From Zadar, you can do several island hopping and hiking and bicycling on those islands as well. And the price for the ferry is very cheap, around 3-4 euros you spend, and you will be able to go to the island, for example, Uglia Island. This is Narodni Trag, or People's Square, Old Town Central Square. Or People's Square is declared as the most beautiful square of Croatia. It has been the heart of city life since the Middle Ages. This, what you see here, is the sea gate which connects the peninsula of Zadar with the mainland. This promenade, the path you see, is called as the Promenade of Riva, and there is the sea organ and the sun's salutation. And the famous film director Alfred Hitchcock, he has mentioned that this is the world's best sunset viewpoint, which is near the sea organ. So this is what I was talking about earlier. After the sunset, you can see, due to the solar energy, these are charged and they glow up into different colors. I found a very cozy restaurant which is called as Tovar, which in Croatian means donkey, and when I asked the gentle lady why the name Tovar and donkey, they said that it is a precious animal in the old days, so they have named it. And this is some amazing food. You must visit this place. It is very affordable and very welcoming host. This here is called as 5 well square because they have these 5 wells, 1, 2, and similarly you can count more. But they have set up like a Christmas market here. In front, what you see is a Roman pillar which is beside the Saint Simon Church. The Saint Simon Church may seem insignificant, but it has some historical importance and something which is very fascinating. It holds the most stunning chest of 250 kilograms of silver, which contains the mummified remains of Saint Simon. During summer season, you will be finding the buses from all over, so doesn't matter which city you travel, you will be able to find. From Plitvice also you will be able to find the bus transport to come to Zadar and Split and so on, whereas in winter it is not possible. Even during winter, several bus transports run throughout Croatia from Zagreb, so you won't be facing any problems in traveling at all. If you guys like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.